one of Samir sir's most unique classroom activities. Watch carefully. You'll see how grammar becomes see and speak. Let's go!
Ever wonder how to make grammar fun? My students got creative and actually designed their own sentence cards. Hands-on activities like this are crucial. They turn confusing rules into active visual learning. Let's watch them swap places to build questions.
I am drawing. I am not drawing. Am I drawing? I am painting. I am painting. I am not painting. Am I painting?
You are crying? You are not crying. Are you crying?
We are walking. We are walking. We are not walking. Are we walking or beating? They are beating. They are not beating. Are they beating? Are they not beating? It is driving. It is not driving. Is it driving? We are swimming. We are swimming. We are not swimming.
Depression.
Are we swimming? Are we swimming?
We are punching. We are punching. We are not punching. Are we punching?
अलग ही लेवल का बंदा.
Are we punching? Are you?
We are doing. We are doing. We are not doing.
Depression.
We are not doing. Are we doing?
ఇంకా ఇలాంటి సరదా ఇంగ్లీష్ లెసన్స్ మిస్ అవ్వకూడదంటే ఇప్పుడే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో కలుద్దాం. బాయ్.